No dish has conquered the world quite like fried chicken. From backyard cookouts to late-night cravings, everyone has their go-to spot. But when it comes to global dominance, one name stands above the rest. KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, the world's most recognized fried chicken brand. Every single day, millions of KFC customers across more than 150 countries bite into that same iconic crunch. To meet that staggering demand, thousands of poultry farms, processing plants, and distribution centers work around the clock. But what truly sets KFC apart isn't just scale. It's a closely guarded secret, a blend of 11 herbs and spices that has never been replicated. In today's video, we're going deep inside the KFC production process, from the farms where the chickens are raised to the pressure fryer that creates that legendary crispy coating. The history of KFC, how it all began. Most people know KFC as a global fast food giant, but few know the full story of how it started. In the 1930s and 40s, a man named Colonel Harland Sanders was running a small roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. He had a passion for cooking, and more importantly, a recipe, a unique blend of 11 herbs and spices that he rubbed into his fried chicken by hand. But there was a problem. Traditional pan-fried chicken took nearly 30 minutes to cook, far too slow for a busy restaurant. Sanders experimented relentlessly until he discovered a game-changing technique: pressure frying. By cooking the chicken under high pressure, he cut the cooking time down to just 10 minutes while locking in moisture, tenderness, and that signature crunch. That discovery changed everything. What started as a humble gas station diner in Kentucky grew into one of the most powerful fast food empires on the planet. Today, KFC operates over 27,000 locations worldwide, serving millions of customers every single day. The farm, where it all starts. The journey of every KFC chicken begins long before it reaches a restaurant. It starts on vast poultry farms across the United States, where eggs are carefully placed into high-tech incubators. These machines maintain precise temperature and humidity levels, mimicking the warmth of a mother hen sitting on her eggs. Every hour, the trays tilt back and forth, recreating the natural turning motion that prevents embryos from sticking to the shell and ensures even development. After 18 days of careful monitoring, each egg is scanned by an infrared detector, essentially an X-ray machine, that identifies any defective eggs. Those are removed and repurposed as animal feed, ensuring nothing goes to waste. By day 19, the chicks begin to hatch. Using their tiny beaks, they peck through the shell in a process that can take 6 to 8 hours. Once they emerge, a conveyor belt gently separates them from the remnants of their shells. Raising the flock, from chick to harvest. These chicks belong to a specially bred hybrid line, selected specifically for their ability to gain muscle mass quickly. From the moment they hatch, every detail of their environment is controlled. The rearing barns are kept at a steady 95 degrees Fahrenheit, with floors lined with wood shavings to keep the space dry, clean, and comfortable. Continuous ventilation systems maintain fresh airflow, keeping the flock healthy throughout their growth cycle. In the first days of life, the chicks are fed a specially formulated diet packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, designed by nutrition experts to support rapid, healthy development. Once they're strong enough, they move into the fattening stage, where their feed shifts to a high-energy blend of corn, soybeans, and protein-rich byproducts. Automated feeding and watering systems run 24 hours a day, giving the chickens constant access to filtered, temperature-controlled water and nutrient-rich food. Hens typically reach their target weight of around 6 to 7 pounds in just 38 days. Roosters take slightly longer, up to 65 days. Once they hit that benchmark, it's time for harvest. Harvesting and processing, precision at scale. Specially designed transport trucks arrive at the farm, equipped with a machine called a live harvester. Operating in near darkness, because low light keeps the birds calm, the harvester gently collects each chicken and places them into ventilated plastic crates. This careful process minimizes stress, which directly impacts meat quality and tenderness. At the processing plant, the chickens enter a receiving area lit only with dim blue lighting to keep them calm. The crates then move into a carbon dioxide chamber, where a slow, humane anesthesia process gradually renders the birds fully unconscious before any further processing takes place. From there, the chickens move through a highly automated production line. Feathers are removed by rotating rubber-fingered machines that strip the plumage without damaging the skin. Internal organs are carefully extracted and separated for further processing. The carcasses pass through high-pressure washing systems, emerging clean and ready for cutting. Cutting and portioning, every piece counts. On the cutting line, each chicken is broken down into the iconic KFC portions: wings, breast, thigh, back, and drumstick. Specialized blades handle every cut with precision, ensuring consistent sizing across every single bird. For KFC's boneless chicken sandwiches, breast meat passes through a skinning machine and a deboning system that removes cartilage, producing 2 clean, uniform fillets per bird. These fillets then go into large rotating drums, where the slow tumbling motion tenderizes the meat, breaking down muscle fibers to keep the chicken juicy and flavorful throughout the cooking process. After tumbling, each fillet is inspected on a grooved conveyor line. Any piece that doesn't meet the quality standard is removed. Only the best cuts move forward. A fine antibacterial mist is then applied to every surface of the meat, ensuring it's clean and safe before packaging. Meanwhile, the bone-in pieces, wings, thighs, drumsticks, and backs, are sorted, vacuum sealed into 7-pound bundles, and stored in cold rooms, ready for shipment to KFC restaurants around the world. A single facility like this can supply over 2 million chickens to KFC locations every week. The secret recipe, the heart of KFC. When the chicken arrives at a KFC restaurant, the real magic begins. The breading mixture is made from wheat flour, salt, powdered milk, egg powder, and of course, Colonel Sanders' legendary blend of 11 herbs and spices. A recipe so closely guarded that only a handful of people in the world know its full contents. Each batch of 8 pieces is first dipped in water to help the coating adhere evenly. Then comes the signature hand breading technique. The chicken is scooped, pressed, and folded multiple times to ensure every inch is coated in the seasoned flour. The coated pieces are then left to rest briefly, allowing the flavors to fully absorb into the meat. Pressure frying, the technique that changed everything. The coated chicken is loaded onto frying racks and lowered into a pressure fryer, the same innovation Colonel Sanders pioneered back in the 1940s. The lid locks tight, and at 374 degrees Fahrenheit, the high-pressure environment traps steam and flavor inside the meat. What would normally escape in an open fryer stays locked in, producing chicken that is incredibly moist on the inside and impossibly crispy on the outside. In just 10 minutes, a perfect golden batch is ready. Each piece is inspected for color and texture before being drained of excess oil and placed under heat lamps to stay hot until serving. For the boneless chicken sandwich, the process is slightly different. Fillets are fried at a higher temperature, over 446 degrees Fahrenheit, for just 5 minutes, producing a thin, shatteringly crispy crust with a tender, juicy center. The hot fillet is placed on a freshly toasted bun, topped with creamy mayonnaise and crisp pickles, and served immediately. Hot holding, keeping quality consistent. In a busy fast food environment, customers expect their food instantly. To bridge the gap between frying and serving, KFC uses a device called a hot holding unit. This system heats water to produce circulating steam, maintaining the chicken at exactly 165 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to stay food safe, gentle enough to preserve moisture and texture. However, every batch has a strict 90-minute window. After that, any unsold pieces are discarded and replaced with a fresh batch. No exceptions. This commitment to freshness is what ensures that whether you're visiting a KFC in New York, Tokyo, or Mumbai, every piece of chicken delivers that same familiar, craveable experience. And that's the full story. From a fertilized egg on a Kentucky farm to a golden, crispy piece of chicken in your hands. Every step of that journey is engineered for consistency, quality, and that one-of-a-kind flavor that billions of people keep coming back for. So next time you take that first bite and hear that iconic crunch, you'll know exactly what went into making it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the KFC production process, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next look inside the world's most iconic food factories. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite KFC order? Are you team original recipe, team crispy, or team boneless sandwich? We'd love to know. We'll see you in the next one.